Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, universal garage door opener, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.